Hello everyone, here we have a nice problem. We have given 4th root of x plus 6th root of x is equals to 12. We need to find the value of x here. So friends, here we have given 4th root of x plus 6th root of x is equals to 12. We need to find the value of x here. So let us find it. So friends, here we can write 4th root x plus 6th root x is equals to 12 as x power 1 by 4, x power 1 by 4 plus x power 1 by 6 is equals to 12 here. So here we are taking let x is equals to t power 12 here. So here we have took x is equals to t power 12 here. So substituting the value that is t power 12 in this equation, above equation, that is x power 1 by 4 plus x power 1 by 6 is equals to 12. So we are substituting this here. So here we can write x equals to t power 12 here. Therefore t power 12 whole power 1 by 4 plus t power 12 whole power 1 by 6 is equals to 12 here. So friends, here we can cancel out 12 by 4, right? So for 1s are, for 3s are. Here also 6 1s are, 6 2s are. So friends, the remaining terms here are, here t cube, right? T cube is remaining because for 1s are 4 3s are 12. T cube plus t square here because 6 1s are, 6 2s are here. T square, t cube plus t square is equals to 12 here. So again we can take here 12 to LHS side here. So friends, we can write here t cube plus t square minus 12 is equals to 0 here. So friends, here we are using remainder theorem to solve this equation. Remainder theorem. Remainder theorem. So here we can take t is equals to 0. So we get here, if we take t is equals to 0, so we can write 0 cube plus 0 square minus 12 is equals to 0. That is not equals to 0, I think so. when t is equals to 0, this is not equals to 0 here if we substitute in the above equation. So in the second we are taking t is equals to 1 here. So here we can write t cube, that is 1 cube, plus 1 square minus 12 is equals to 0 here. So 2 minus 12, this is not equals to 0. So again we are taking t is equals to 2 here. So if we take t is equals to 2, t cube, that is 2 cube, 2 cube plus 2 square minus 12 is equals to 0. So 2 cube is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 plus 2 to the 4 here. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. So we have one solution for t here, that is t is equals to 2. So here friends, when t is one value of, sorry, 2 is one value of t, the value for t is 2, so that we can write t minus 2 is one factor. T minus 2 will be one factor here. We got one factor for this equation, that is t is equals to 2 here. So t minus 2 will be one factor, where the solution is t is equals to 2. So here t minus 2 will be one factor of the equation t cube plus t square minus 12 is equals to 0. So for this equation, t minus 2 be one factor of this equation. So again here we are writing the question, t cube plus t square minus 12 is equals to 0 here. So here we can write t cube Friends, we have written t cube plus t square minus 12 is equals to 0 as t cube minus 2t square plus 3t square minus 12 is equals to 0. We have written here plus t square as 2t square plus 3t square here, minus 2t square plus 3t square is 3t square. So we have written this t square as minus 2t square plus 3t square here. So again we can common here in this 2 t square, right? So we can write here t square into t minus 2 plus, so in these two equations 3t square minus 12 in this we can common 3 here. Sorry, here we cannot common anything, so we are writing as it is 3t square here three t square minus 60 plus 60 plus 60. We are adding and subtracting 60 here. Minus 60 plus 60 minus 12 is equals to 0 here. So friends, we have written t cube minus 2t square plus 3t square minus 12 is equals to 0, as we have common t square in this t cube minus 2t square. So t square into t minus 2 plus we have written as it is 3t square here. So we are subtracting 60 and adding 60. Minus 60 plus 60 minus 12 is equals to 0 here. So here we have added minus 60 and plus 60 here. So here we can write t square into t minus 2 as it is. So plus plus and 3t square minus 60. In this we can common. In this 2 we can common 3t here. 3t 3t into t minus 2. 3t into t minus 2 here. So friends, in this again in this 2 60 minus 12 we can common 6 here. 6 into t minus 2 is equals to 0. So here we are writing 6 into t minus 2 here. So here we have written 60 minus 12 as 6 into t minus 2 here, that is equals to 0. So t square into t minus 2 plus 3t into t minus 2 plus 6 into t minus 2 is equals to 0 here. So friends, here t minus 2, t minus 2 and t minus 2 is common. So we can write this as again t square plus 3t plus 6 into t minus 2. Is equals to 0. So t minus 2 is a factor here. So we are writing t minus 2 is equals to 0 here, where t is equals to 2. And here also t square minus, sorry, t square plus 3t plus 6 is equals to 0. So here t minus 2 is a factor, and we have one solution for t, that is t is equals to 2 here. So we need to find other two solutions for t. From this equation, t square plus 3t plus 6 is equals to 0. So this equation is in the form ax square plus bx plus c here. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where we can write a as a is equals to 1, b is equals to 3, and here c is equals to 6 here. So a is equals to 1, b is equals to 3, and c is equals to 6 here. So this t square plus 3t plus 6 is equals to 0 is in the form ax square plus bx plus c, that is equals to 0. So this is called a quadratic equation we have here. So for finding the roots of any quadratic equation given, we have the formula, that is minus b plus of minus root b square minus 2ab plus. So for finding x is equals to, for finding x we have this formula minus b plus of minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a by 2a. So by using this formula we can find the roots of any quadratic equation given. X is equals to minus b plus of minus root b square minus 2ab by. So this is the formula we have for finding the roots of any quadratic equation given, that is x is equals to minus b plus of minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a here, where a is equals to 1, b is equals to 3, and c is equals to 6 here. So we are substituting these values in this formula for getting the solutions of t. So here we are substituting the values. T is equals to minus b. We have the value of b is 3, minus 3 plus of minus square root of minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1. The value for a is 1 and c is 6. by 2a here. 2 into a is 1 here. So therefore again we can write t is equals to minus 3 plus of minus square root of 3 3s are 9 here. Minus 3 whole square is 9. Minus 6 for the 24 here by 2. So here we call delta. Delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is equals to delta. We call this as b square minus 4ac. We call this as delta here. So in this equation, square root of b square minus 4ac here. So we got the value for, so 9 minus 12, we consider this as b square minus 4ac here. So delta is equals to b square minus 4ac here. So we have b square minus 4ac as 9 minus 24 here. So delta is equals to 9 minus 24. So that is equals to 9 minus 24 is minus 15. So delta is equals to minus 15. So we got the value for delta is minus 15 here. So delta is equals to b square minus 4ac, right? So b square minus 4ac here is less than 0 here, because minus 15 is less than 0. So b square minus 4ac is minus 15, right? So we can write so here minus 15, b square minus 4ac is minus 15. Minus 15 is less than 0. Therefore b square minus 4ac is less than 0 here. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, if it is in minus, this is a complex root. So we call this as complex root here. This is a complex root. So this is rejected. So friends, this is rejected here because b square minus 4ac is less than 0, and if it is less than 0, the delta is less than 0. If delta is less than 0, delta is less than 0, this is a complex root here. So this solution for t, the solutions for t is rejected here. So in the beginning we have took x is equals to t power 12, right? So t power 12, x equals to t power 12, we have to. Here x is equals to t power 12. So we got the value of t here. So t is equals to 2 here. So we are substituting the value of t in this. So x is equals to t power 12. So t is equals to 2 here. Therefore x is equals to 2 power 12. So we can write x is equals to, the value for 2 power 12 is 4096, right? 4096. So here we got the value for x, that is 4096. So x is equals to 4096 here. So here guys, the value for x is equals to 4096. Okay friends, thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe to my channel and we'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.